A new Cole Park Pier is on the horizon. The city of Corpus Christi announced the next steps for the closed Cole Park Pier and the timeline for the reconstruction project. City Manager Peter Zanoni announced the design consultant for the new Cole Park Pier is Jacobs Engineering as a staff recommendation to City Council. Zanoni outlined why Jacobs Engineering stood out from the rest of the applicants.
The firm, one of the reasons we like them is they specialize in ports and marine work, and so they have a group of over 550 individuals that do that. So a lot of our engineering firms can focus on land development, buildings, but a firm like Jacobs has a strong team that works in the waters constantly.
Cole Park Pier has been closed for about 2.5 years because it was damaged by Hurricane Harvey. District 2 Council member Ben Molina mentioned what he would like to see on the new Cole Park Pier.
If it's up to me, I'd like to make it wider with a lot more amenities such as shade structures, areas to sit, and really make it a destination for Cole Park.
The timeline for the Cole Park Pier project is a long one. The first engineering phase that describes the amenities and features the brand new pier design will have could last 3 months. Then the design process is expected to take 6 months to more than a year, depending on the permitting process. The construction phase is expected to take place about a year to a year and a half. The newly constructed pier could potentially be done by June 2021.
There's probably going to be some differences. There's going to be some additional amenities that are included that weren't part of the original pier. So we're looking at designing and building a bigger and better Cole Park Pier.
Funding for the design phase will come from the Bond 2018 program, but funding for the construction phase could possibly come from a Bond 2020 program, the Community Enrichment Fund, or a naming rights program for the modern Cole Park Pier. Reporting for the City of Corpus Christi, I'm Eva Padilla.